Guys, it's me, Potato. Welcome to the YouTube video, bro. To I'm doing a reaction video to Ebes Quaint Pro Master 69. His video is called October 16, 2025. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like and subscribe type shit. I shouldn't be cursing early in this video though. I'm gonna try to make this reaction as cool and as epic as possible. I'm not gonna be cracking jokes. It's gonna be pure serious business. Let's jump in. Let me just. All right, here we are. There we go. As you see, is my brother's currently watching Dexter, the series. Ignore what's on the right hand side of the screen. Probably, I don't know. I'm not used to making YouTube videos. Let's start.
Magandang gabi. Ako nga pala si John Rodis Calona, BSECE, first year. At sasagutin kong tanong na, bilang isang individual, anong iyong tungkulin o gampanin upang makaugnay sa isang komunidad at sa iyong kapwa? Para sa akin, bilang isang individual o estudyante, malaki ang aking tungkulin at gampanin upang makaugnay sa isang komunidad at sa akin.
Yes, we all know being part of your community is pretty vital. You know, you should participate as much as possible. You should assist as much as possible. If there's an issue coming up, you should try to assist as much as possible. And I'm saying as much possible, you know. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're only 26 seconds. That's fine.
Kapwa. Di lamang sa basta pagkipag-usap, kundi para maging isang mabuting mamamayan na maging bukas ang isipan at puso sa
Yeah, guys, it's very important. We should open our hearts and our minds to everybody's saying, but we shouldn't be also afraid to correct them when they're wrong in some subjects. So keeping an open mind is very important, but you shouldn't let that what's it called? You shouldn't let keeping your mind open or being accepting overcome what's objective. Okay, if you think something is wrong and you don't tell that person just because he thinks he's doing the right thing, you should tell him because he might hurt somebody. Yeah, so pretty cool. Why you say do that? Well,
sa kanila. Dapat na may pakita ko na meron akong pagmamalasakit, pag-unawa, at paggalang sa mga kapwa-tao.
Yeah, respect your elders, everybody. You know, a lot of people not doing that shit nowadays. Respect your elders, bro. Respect the unks and the aunts, you know.
Dito makikita na meron akong mabuting puso at marunong gumalang sa kanila.
Yeah. Respect your elders. I was just saying. You just said it. You know. I don't know where I was heading with this pause. Really, you know, I just paused it because I feel like I probably should stop doing that. Trying to add as much content as possible so it's not copyrighted.
Dahil ang bawat kilos action na ginagawa ko ay merong epekto sa mga tao sa paligid ko.
Yes, that's very important. Everything that you do would affect somebody or could affect somebody in in a myriad of different ways. You should take accountability when something goes wrong. By the way, accountability is very important. A lot of people nowadays not take accountability for their actions. You know what I'm talking about? If you know, you know. I'll know that one person just blames everybody. That's me.
Kapag pinapakita mo ang iyong pagmamalasakit sa iyong kapwa-tao, dito mo pinapakita na marunong natanggapin at pahalagaan ang pagkaiba ng bawat isa. Dito mo rin pinapakita na may respeto sa kanilang iba't ibang kultura o paniniwala.
Guys, don't be racist or homophobic. Don't be like me. I'm racist and homophobic. Why did I say that? I'm gonna get canceled. My career hasn't even started yet.
Pagiging malasakit sa kapwa ay hindi lamang kabutihan, kundi isang tungkulin na nagpapalakas ng samahan. At bilang isang individual, ang nais ko ang pakita na dapat kong sanayin ay ang aking tamang pakipagkomunikasyon sa iba.
Yes, guys, communication is very important. That's how we bond with each other. That's how we express ourselves. But you should always be careful of what you say or whatever it is you're trying to send, because the other person might misinterpret it, and it might damage your relationship. So communication is very vital. It's very vital at this point. I commend you, bro. Keep it going.
Hindi marunong na makinig sa kanila, lalo tuwing sila'y kausap. Tumulong sa mga nangangailangan, respetuhin sila, at marunong umunawa sa kanilang damdamin at pananaw
Facts.
para maiwasan ang hindi pagkaunawaan sa kanilang naisabihin o opinyon at diskriminasyon. Lagi kong sinisikap na ipakita ang kababang loob, paggalang at paggamit ng mga magalang na salita. Sa ganitong paraan, mas magiging madali ang pakikipagkaibigan sa iba't ibang uri ng tao. Isa pang aking tungkulin ay ang maging aktibo sa pakikilahok sa mga gawain ng komunidad.
Yeah, we just said this earlier. If you weren't paying attention, it's very very right. Very very right at this. I just want to say that. I said it first. You know, give me some recognition, please. Well, he technically said it first because this is like pre-recording, but you know how YouTube works. I said it. Yeah, I said it first.
Sa simpleng paraan tulad ng pagtulong sa mga paglinis sa kapaligiran or clean up drive o pagsuporta
Well, guys, clean up drive is very important. You know, some streets, some places are, if you look at it, it's very pungent. It's very dirty. You can see some like rotten garbage. It's been clawed out or bitten out by dogs. So take care of your dogs. Don't make sure they don't become stray dogs, because you know, have pity on those dogs, bro. What am I saying here? Oh yes, cleaning up. Yes, cleaning up after you should have like this Japanese mentality where you keep your trash with you until you reach or encounter proper disposal places, like garbage bins and stuff. Yeah, powders. I'm cringe as hell.
sa mga proyekto na nais gawin ng barangay, pagpapakita na ako'y responsable at mapagkakatiwalaan sa mga gawain. Dahil naniniwala ako na bawat mabuting gawain,
What did you say?
maliit man o malaki, may mabuting ambag sa pagbuo sa isang lipunang may malasakit at may puno ng respeto.
Yeah, facts right there. Those little things adds up. They become major things. So if you participate in even just a little bit, you could definitely get a lot of stuff done. They could really turn into big stuff. Yeah, facts.
Kapag sama-sama tayong tumutulong at nagkakaisa, mas magiging maayos at payapa ang ating pamayanan. At dahil sa huli, ang mga ginagawa kong aksyon ay magiging isang instrumento para magkaisa at magkaunawaan sa aming komunidad at sa mga kapwa-tao. Ito ay mabuting halimbawa kung paano ako maging tapat, mabuti at may malasakit para maging maayos lahat sa pamamagitan ng simpleng kabutihan o aksyon. Ito ang magiging daan sa pagbuo ng isang lipunang puno ng mapayapa, marunong magkaisa at may tunay na pagmamalasakit sa isa't isa. Dahil naniniwala ako na kapag may pagkaunawaan, may respeto at may malasakit sa isa't isa, doon nagsisimula ang tunay na kapayapaan.
Spoken like a politician. Okay, let's just finish the video first before I talk.
At kaunlaran ng lipunan.
So, thanks for watching right there. My bad. Let's stare at his handsome face. Yeah, he's very handsome. So yeah, what he said there was facts. You should do stuff for your people. You should help them. You should assist them as much as you can. You should respect them, respect their beliefs, respect their culture, and yeah. I'm sorry if at the last part I didn't say much because I was really focused. I was trying to understand him better. But yeah. So guys, I think that's it. Wait, I just. That's it for today's video. Oh my stuff is lagging. Yeah, that's unfortunate. this is for today's video, and make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell and type shit. And I'm gonna be sending this recording to him. I'm going to add to it. So stay tuned. No, stay happy and healthy. Dr. Mike type shit. See you guys.